Today we've launched the first 100% protected on the downside, and we're going to set a cap rate right now as we speak. From what I heard, we thought the range would be anywhere between 10 to 11.5%. I think we're going to hit the 11.5% or maybe even higher, where you can get up to 11.5% of the upside if you keep the Bitcoin for a year. And if it falls 50% or whatnot, you don't lose anything. You get just your principal back, and you can roll it year after year. And we're also, in 2 weeks, launching other products depending on your risk parameters. So we're going to have a 90% protected ETF, so you can lose up to 10%, but the cap rate should fall around 30%. We're also going to launch an 80%, so you can lose maybe up to 20%, but the cap rate goes all the way up to north of 50%. So depending on your risk parameter, whether it be no loss versus just taking a little bit of risk rather than being completely long Bitcoin where it's extremely volatile, I think we're seeing a lot of appetite for this type of product.
And you got to hold for a year.
You can sell it and buy it. You
can sell it and buy it within the, okay.
But you're guaranteed 100% protected if you do hold it, because the way we strike the options and buy them for the year.
So this is, in a way, it sounds to me like insurance,
correct,
right? So really the risk for you is calculating how Bitcoin has moved in the past. And if it were to just go straight down, right, for a year plus, well, that wouldn't be good. But based on how you've seen it move, you can make the adjustments during that time that, make sure that you're able to make good on the promise to those who need it.
No, we make good from day one.
Okay.
So the way the product works is we'll buy today. We're going to buy, zero coupon treasuries, right? And then we buy options on the CBOE Bitcoin index, right? So we buy call options at the money, and we sell call options as well out of the money to generate income to make up for the coupon for the zero. So we lock in, you're locked in, guaranteed rate of the upside of 11.5% for the year if you keep it.
Which of